Good morning, everyone. In our previous class, we did exercise 5.2 few questions. The chapter was arithmetic progression, where we studied how to find out the nth term of the given AP. We also tried to check, we also learned how to check whether the given sequence is AP or not. We learned to find out any of the missing term, whether that was common difference or the value of n or the nth term, right? Four things we used in the formula: an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. And then we found out the missing term. We were given three terms and we had to find out the one, right? Also, we did how to find out the first negative term of the given sequence, right, of the given AP. So here I am with few questions before we start the questions of the exercise. My first question is 2n minus 3 is the nth term of the AP. We have to check whether this is AP or not, and the question is in true or false, right? Here you may see that this is linear term, ठीक है? Linear polynomial है in the powers of n. When you have this linear, in that case we can say that this is an AP, right? Here the power of n is 1. Otherwise, what you will do, you will put the values of n 1, 2, 3, and we will find out whether the common difference is coming out to be same or not. For example, if we put n is equal to 1, it will become 2 into 1 minus 3, that is minus 1. Then we put n is equal to 2. So 2 2s are 4 minus 3. 4 minus 3 is 1, right? And then n is 3. 2 3s are 6 minus 3 is 3, right? So here you may check the difference is of 2. 1 minus minus 1 means 1 plus 1, that is 2. 3 minus 1 is also 2. So here this statement will become true, right? Now we have this. This is the nth term given of any sequence, and we have to check whether that sequence is AP or not. Here you may see the n is with power 2 here, right? So this is not a, wait, sorry for inconvenience. Yes, here this is not a linear polynomial. Power of n is 2, right? So this will not be an AP. It must be linear. अगर यहाँ पे सिर्फ 1 plus n होता तो ये हमारी क्या हो जाती, फिर ये हमारी AP हो जाती. But now this is not. Again you may check by putting the values of n. If I take n is equal to 1, you will get 1 plus 1 plus 1. 3. If you take n is equal to 2, 2 square 4, 4 plus 2 is 6, 6 plus 1 is 7. And if you take 3, 3 square 9, 9 plus 3, 12, 12 plus 1, 13. Is the difference same? 7 minus 3 is 4. Here the difference is 6. So difference is not same means this is not an AP. Clear? So by just watching at the polynomial, the nth term, we may say whether this is this will be AP, this will be the nth term of AP or not, right? Now coming to the next question, which term of the AP this is the first negative term? This is the question which we did yesterday. You have to do this question, and whosoever will raise the hand first, I will allow that student to tell the answer. You have to check which term of this AP will be the first negative term. This is the question which we did in our previous class at the end. This was the last question of previous class. 53, 48, 43, which will be the first negative term? I am waiting for your hand to be raised. Yes. First negative term, just like we did yesterday, we will assume let this is the nth term, which is the first negative term, means an. And if that is an, then negative term means it must be less than 0. That means an less than 0, and we have to find out the value of n. Hurry up, hurry up, hurry up. Raise the hand. Here I have short. Yes.
12th term.
Yes.
12th.
Yes, it will be the 12th term, which will be the first negative term of this sequence. Here you may see that your first term A is 53, right? And D is 48 minus 53 minus 5, right? And we are saying An is the nth term, which is less than 0, which is negative. So this is less than 0. Now we are putting the values. 53 is the value of A plus n minus 1 into minus 5 is less than 0. Shift this 53 on the other side. You will get n minus 1 into minus 5 less than minus 53. And then we will cancel minus with minus and this sign will be changed opposite. N minus 1 into 5 will be greater than 53. The sign I have changed and this 5 will go on the other side. So n minus 1 is greater than 53 upon 5, right? And this is isko cancel kar lo, 5 ones are 5, 0.6, 10.6 means n is greater than 10.6 plus 1, that is n is greater than 11.6. And the next natural number after 11.6 is 12. So the value of n is 12. Because n cannot be in decimal or fraction, we will have to take natural number, and the first natural number greater than 11.6 is 12. So this will be the first negative term of the given AP, right? Now, with the next question, if anyone has any doubt in this question, please raise your hand. Okay, now the next question. Determine the AP whose fifth term is 19 and the difference of the 8th term from 13th term is 20. AP whose fifth term is whatever is given to you in the question, accordingly we will start writing. We are given fifth term is 19. Fifth term means A5 is given to you 19. ठीक है, जो भी आपको गिवन है आप उसको जिस भी तरह से लिख सकते हैं, जिस भी तरह से आप उसकी इक्वेशन बना सकते हैं, मैथमेटिक्स की फॉर्म में जिस तरह से लिख सकते हैं, we will keep on writing, right? A5 means A plus 4D. This is equal to 19. First equation, right? Let me come to the next line. The next line is difference between the 8th term and the 13th term is 20. Difference of 8th term and 13th term is 20, right? Put the values and get the AP. A13 is A plus 12D. Okay, what the answer is, Lakshya?
AP है -4, 4, 9, 14, 19 so on.
No.
Maybe तो ऐसे ही minus.
Something wrong.
-4,
Let me check.
-1, 4, 9.
-1, 4. Your value of D is. चलो कर लेते हैं. This is A plus 12D.
ये तो 5 आएगा.
Okay, देखते हैं. ठीक है, आपका A से A कैंसिल हुआ. 12 minus 7 is 5D is equal to 20. What the value of D is? D is equal to 20 upon 5, that is 4. Now tell where you have done the mistake. The value of D is coming out to be 4. 12D, 7D. आपने कभी यहाँ पे 13 और 8 तब भी आपका यही आना चाहिए था डिफरेंस, तो फिर भी 5 ही आएगा. Okay, so A plus A13 is A plus 12D. आप 1 लेस लिखते हो. A plus n minus 1 into D. A8 is A plus 10D is equal to 20. The difference is 20 given to us. And now because this is minus sign, so आपका अंदर वाला sign भी change होगा. You will cancel A with A. And now 12D minus 7D is 5D. Means 5D is 20. So D is equal to 20 upon 5. That is 4. Right? If you got the value of D, you will put it over here. And you will get the value of A. So A plus 4 multiply 4 is equal to 19. A is equal to 19. 4 4s are 16. Shift 16 on the other side and you will get 3. Right? So what will be the AP? Your AP will be, first term is 3. Next term is A plus D. 3 plus 4, 7. And then again you have to add D. 7 plus 4 is 11, and 11 plus 4 is 15. So this way you are going to get the AP. Clear?
Yes.
Okay. Now coming to the exercise, we have to start with the 6th question. 5 questions we did yesterday. And your sixth question is, you are given an AP. We have to check whether minus 150 is any term of this AP or not. 11, 8, and 5, and 2. They are saying this is the AP given. We have to check whether minus 150 will come in this sequence somewhere or not. Right? आपने check करना है कि ये इसके अंदर आएगा कहीं पर या नहीं आएगा. We will assume कि आएगा. ठीक है? अगर आएगा तो कौन से नंबर पे आएगा? Right? So we are assuming कि ये nth नंबर पे आएगा. Let minus 150 is the nth term of given AP. ठीक है? Okay. If this is the nth term, means we can write an is equal to minus 150. Right? अब बता दो कि कौन से नंबर पे आएगा. Put the formula, put the values of a and d, and let me know कि n की वैल्यू क्या आती है. Means आपका 150 इस सीक्वेंस में कौन से नंबर पर आएगा. चलिए जल्दी से. Let me do my question here, and you are doing over there. फिर चेक करते हैं आंसर. You are putting the formula. You are putting the values. Somebody got the answer?
मैम n की वैल्यू तो 160 और 4/3 आ रही है.
Yes, ठीक है.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
पर वो
154
मैम
by
कोई AP की फॉर्म नहीं है मैम. 150 is not in the form of AP.
Yes, yes. कितनी वैल्यू आई आपकी?
164/3.
160.
4/3.
Okay. Or 164/3 means this is a decimal number or fraction.
Yes,
but
ma'am.
n is a natural number. This cannot be the value of n. That means minus 150 जो हमने assume किया था, that is wrong. That means minus 150 is not any term of the given AP. Right? What we have done, we have taken let this is the nth term, means minus 150 is equal to an. हमने मान लिया कि उसके अंदर है. Right? So we are putting the value a plus formula put कर रहे हैं पहले. A plus n minus 1 into d is equal to minus 150. Then you are putting the values. A is 11 plus n minus 1 into d is 8 minus 11 minus 3 is equal to minus 150. Right? And 11 I have multiplied it with this minus 3n minus minus plus 3 is equal to minus 150. 11 plus 3 is, and you are shifting this 14 on the other side, it will get negative. Minus 150 minus 14 is minus 4 is equal to minus 3n. Minus and minus will get cancelled. 3 को आपने shift किया, then n is equal to 164/3 means this is a fraction which is not possible. If this is not possible means whatsoever we assumed was wrong. That means minus 150 is not any term of the given AP. Right? Now next question is, any problem in the question? No. Okay. So we are proceeding to the next question. Your question is, find the 31st term of the AP whose 11th term is 38 and 16th term is 73. 11th term is 38 and 16th term is 73. We have to find out the value of A31. You will get one equation from here, one equation from here, and दोनों equations को आप elimination लगाकर solve करेंगे. You will get the value of A and D, and when you will get the value of A and D, you will put that formula A plus 30D, and you will get the 31st term.
And
First of all, let me,
A31
Ma'am,
is
D
equal to
की value-
178. D
What
की
is the
value
value?
is
7 आई है.
7.
और A31 178.
okay,
Yes.
D is 7. We are
7.
writing A plus 10D
A
is
plus
equal to
10D.
38, and this is A plus
A plus 15D is equal to 73.
73. In both the equations,
Now eliminate.
coefficient of A is same, so we will subtract the two equations. आप जैसे ही subtract करेंगे A minus A, आपका A से A cancel हो जाएगा, and you will get 10 minus 15 minus 5D is equal to 38 minus 73. This will also come in negative, और कितना आएगा?
5.
7
minus 35.
minus
Minus
35 और 7 आ
35.
जाएगा.
Okay.
D की वैल्यू
Minus and
7.
minus will get cancelled. So D is equal to 35 upon 5, that is 7. Now, as you are getting 7, you will put
7.
the value here. You will get 7 plus 10D is equal
minus
to
32 आएगा.
38. 10D is equal to
minus
38
32.
minus 7. कितना?
मैम आपने गलती कर दी. आपको अब
मैम
a की
आपने
वैल्यू
गलत
फाइंड
लिख
आउट
दिया.
करनी
मैम
है.
A की वैल्यू लिख दी मैम आपने वहाँ पे.
A plus 10 multiply 7 is
a
equal
plus
to
10
38. A is equal to 38
Minus 32.
minus 70. So A is equal to minus 32. Right? Okay.
32.
Now A and D you have.
A
We have
plus
to find out A
अब
31.
A31 निकालने के लिए a plus 30
Plus 30D, which is equal to A is minus
plus
30
30d.
plus 30 multiply 7, and this is minus 32 plus 210, and you are getting the answer
178.
178. Right? This is the 31st term of the AP. Clear? Okay. Similarly, there are different questions which you just have to understand the statement and do the question. Right? इसमें mostly आपका यही elimination method लगता रहेगा. And now your next question is, an AP consists of 50 terms, of which third term is 12 and the last term is 106. Total terms are 50, they are saying, and total terms are 50. First term is given, last term is given. लास्ट टर्म कहने का मतलब क्या है? कौन सी टर्म गिवन है?
L.
nth टर्म. ठीक है. चाहे आप लास्ट टर्म के लिए nth टर्म ना आपका बहुत सारी तरह से यूज हो सकता है कि आपको इसकी कोई एक पर्टिकुलर टर्म फाइंड आउट करो तो हम an यूज करेंगे, इसकी लास्ट टर्म फाइंड आउट करो तो हम an यूज करेंगे. ठीक है. तो ये फॉर्मूला आपका बहुत जगह पे अलग अलग तरह से यूज हो सकता है. स्टेटमेंट विल बी डिफरेंट, बट यू हैव टू डिसाइड दैट व्हिच फॉर्मूला यू आर गोइंग टू अप्लाई. राइट? 50 terms are total, third term is 12 and last term is 106. last term को क्या लिखूं? What do I have to write here? an this is the last term.
Ma'am,
Total-
50.
yes, total terms are 50. तो यहाँ पर हम इसको 50 लिखें, an लिखें या a 50 लिखें, एक ही बात है.
और ये हो जाएगा इक्वल a plus 49d के.
Yes. Now
A
you
plus
have
49d के
again
equal
two
हो
equations. A plus 2d is 12 and A plus 49d is equal to 106. Two equations. Subtract the two equations that let me know the value of A and D.
मैम D की वैल्यू 2 आई है, A की वैल्यू 8 आएगी और A 29 64 2
Ma'am,
Yes.
D की
and
value 2
Find
आएगी.
out 29.
Ma'am,
A 29 64
29th term is 64. ठीक है.
Ma'am, A
हो
की
जाएगा
value
सबका?
Ma'am, A की value.
ये
Ma'am, A की value 8 आएगी.
Yes. The value of A is 8. And then
D
you
is 2.
D is 2. 29th term we have to find out A plus 28D. Put the values over there.
12.
29th term.
12.
No, 64. 29th term is coming out to be 64. दोबारा से check कीजिए.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Everyone has done?
Yes, ma'am.
yes मैम.
Okay. चलिए, let we move to the next question. अब जो थोड़ा सा different है वो question देखते हैं. Third term and the ninth term of the AP are 4 and minus 8. Next ही question है. You are given the third term and ninth term. Third term and ninth term are respectively 4 and minus 8. You have to find out which term of this AP will be 0. Which term means क्या find out करना है? What is this 0 given and what we have to find out? What is this 0? Which term?
A
This is
N term.
nth term.
an
an. We are
an
assuming
is
let
equal to 0.
we will assume let its nth term is 0, right? हमें बताना है कि कौन सी term, हमने मान ली nth term, right? What we have to find out?
मतलब a n minus 1 into d 0
What
के
we
साथ
have to find out in
a
the question?
plus n minus
मैम हमें कौन सी टर्म 0 है मैम टर्म में वो क्वेश्चन फाइंड आउट करना है कौन सी टर्म 0 है
कौन सी term? Which term
n
means the
n
value of
विच टर्म
n
yes, we have to find
n
out the value of n. अब आपने
n,
n
अच्छा,
find
n.
out करना है आपको ये तो इसको सबसे लास्ट में यूज करेंगे फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी आर यूजिंग दिस दैट a plus 2d is
मैम
equal
d की वैल्यू -2 आएगी
ओके
मैम आपकी बात नहीं आ रही, सारे बीच में बोल रहे हैं।
सबको चुप करवा देते हैं
d
no one is going to speak now third term is 4 we have taken a plus 2d is 4 ninth term is -8 means a plus 8d is -8 we have to find out which term of this AP is 0 we have assumed nth term let nth term हमने assume किया है n so we have to find out the value of n let nth term is 0 means an is 0 given to us and we will find out the value of n before that we will find out the value of a and d अब a और d की value find out करने के लिए we must have two equations and from where we are getting the two equations from these two right a3 is a plus 2d a9 is a plus 8d is equal to -8 a plus 8d is equal to -8 subtract the two equations you will get sign change and you will get -6d is equal to 8 plus 4 12 so d is equal to 12 upon -6 that is equal to -2 right अब आपकी d की वैल्यू -2 आ चुकी है you are going to put the value in any of the given either in this or in this it's your choice a plus 2 multiply d की जगह पे आपने पुट किया -2 this is equal to 4 so a plus 2 into -2 -4 is equal to 4 so a is equal to 0 or anything 0 how is it
मैम a की वैल्यू 8 आएगी मैम
a की वैल्यू 8 हाँ ये यहाँ से -4 ये आपका जाएगा इधर 4 plus 4 that is equal to
यस
8
मैम
right so
अब
your
n की वैल्यू 5
first term is 8 now we have to find out the value of n now we are using an is equal to 0 that is a plus n minus 1 into d is equal to 0 now put the values a is 8 plus n minus 1 into d आपने find out किया है -2 this is equal to 0 8 को उधर shift कर दो
5 n की
n
वैल्यू
minus
5
1 into -2 is equal to -8 n minus 1 is equal to -8 upon -2 and you're getting 4 so n is equal to 4 plus 1 that is 5 that means the fifth term
fifth term of AP
of this AP will be 0 clear any problem any doubt left somewhere
No, ma'am.
okay चलिए proceed to the next let me come to the next question your next question is 17th term of the AP exceeds its 10th term by 7 17th term
A17 minus A10 is equal to 7.
exceed मतलब ज्यादा है ठीक है उससे ज्यादा है 17th term exceeds the 10th term by 7 17th term exceeds the 10th term by 7 ये term इससे 7 ज्यादा है that means the
माइनस कर
difference
देंगे मैम
the difference between the two terms is 7 and find the common difference you just have to find out the value of d फटाफट से value put करो
1
and d is
1
Ansh. Ansh want to say something?
1
Ansh, yes. The value is coming out to be 1. A plus
1.
16D minus A minus 9D is equal to 7. And A से A आपका cancel. 16 minus 9 is 7d is equal to 7, so you will get d is equal to 7 upon 7, that is 1, right? Okay, which term of the AP 3, 15, 27, 39? This is the AP given, and we have to find out that which term of this AP will be 132 more than 54th term. हाँ जी, 132 more than 54th term. इसकी कौन सा नंबर, कौन सी टर्म उसकी 54th टर्म से 132 ज्यादा होगी? कौन सी टर्म? which term means we have to find out the value of n. So here we are going to assume let its nth term will be 132 more than the 54th term. Let nth term is 132 more than 54th term. That means what can I write? nth term is greater किससे? 54th टर्म से. कितनी? 132. ठीक है, सो आपकी इक्वेशन बनी an minus a54 is equal to 132. Now you have the value of a, you can find out the value of d. Put the values in the formula, right? And let me know the value of n, that which term will be 132 more.
And A54 की तो वैल्यू 639 आएगी.
A54 की वैल्यू आप, अच्छा
अलग अलग करा है मैंने.
ओके, अदरवाइज आप सीधा ए से ए आपका कैंसिल हो जाता अगर आप इसमें सीधा वैल्यू पुट करते तो. लेट मी नो द वैल्यू ऑफ एन. अब ये जरा लक्ष्य, हर्ष, अंश, छाया ये नहीं बोलेंगे.
हो गया n is
नो somebody else. जतिन
एक बार दोबारा रिपीट.
ओके, द क्वेश्चन इज, ये आपके पास एपी गिवन है, आपसे ये पूछा है कि इसकी कौन सी टर्म इसके 54th टर्म से 132 ज्यादा होगी. ठीक है, कौन सी टर्म? वी आर एज्यूमिंग nth टर्म. सो वी हैव एज्यूम्ड लेट nth टर्म इज 132 मोर देन 54th टर्म. nth टर्म बड़ी है 54th टर्म से. कितनी बड़ी है? 132 बड़ी है. दैट मीन्स द डिफरेंस बिटवीन nth and 54th term is 132. So this is what we have written. nth और 54th term का difference 132 है, right? अब आपके पास a भी है, आपके पास d, यहाँ से आप find out कर सकते हो. Put the values here and let me know the value of n. I want to know the answer from, नहीं इस बार तो छाया से भी नहीं, somebody else. Piyush, Kansal. Yes, unmute yourself, please.
Yes, ma'am.
What the value of n?
62.
No. N is not coming out to be 62.
I'm 65.
Yes, it's 65. Ayushi, what is your answer?
65.
Ayushi, कितना आंसर आया?
मैम आ गया मैम. 65.
65 आ गया.
Ma'am,
Aryan,
65.
Okay. And what about Aryan Sehrawat? Aryan, आपका कितना आया? चलिए, Aryan, please unmute yourself. Yes, the answer is 65. We are just putting the values here. A plus n minus 1 into d minus a minus 53d is equal to 132, right? A से आपने a cancel कर दिया. Now we are going to put the value of d. n minus 1 into d value is 15 minus 3, 12 हो जाएगी. So you will write here 12 minus 53 multiply 12 is equal to 132. और यहाँ से जब आप इसको सॉल्व करेंगे, you are going to get the value of n to be 65, right? चलिए, let we come to the next. चलिए, time is going to get over. So we will have to stop the class here. Let me continue.
वहाँ पर a+53d नहीं आएगा।
कहाँ पर बेटा a+53d आएगा because
a+n-1 into d।
yes minus है ना बेटा बाहर, because of this minus I have changed the sign. a+53d आना था, but because of this minus both the signs are negative, minus a minus 53d। ठीक है
मैम
हाँ जी।
मैम जैसे अब तो स्कूल्स बंद है तो जैसे हमारे सिलेबस हो जाएगा, इसके बाद 10 चैप्टर हो रह गए, तो हम रिवीजन कैसे करेंगे जितना हमने सिलेबस अब तक कवर किया है, ताकि हाफ ईयरली टेस्ट वेस्ट तो होंगे नहीं।
टेस्ट होंगे ना, टेस्ट
कैसे
होंगे।
मैम?
अगर मैं
ऑनलाइन
टेस्ट हैं ऑनलाइन, क्या मैं आपको टेस्ट भेजूंगी, आप लोगों को टाइम मिलेगा कि इतने देर का टाइम है आपके पास, उसके जस्ट
जैसे
बाद
पहले PT1 के लिए होते थे।
MCQs नहीं होंगे इस बार, MCQ नहीं लेना मैंने, आप प्रॉपर टेस्ट करके भेजोगे, ठीक है, और वो
Okay,
आपके
ma'am,
अपने fix।
अकॉर्डिंगली आई एम गोइंग टू गिव यू द मार्क्स, ठीक है।
मैम फिर कब लोगे मैम पहले टेस्ट?
कौन से
के
चैप्टर का
बाद तो
दोगे?
10 चैप्टर हो रहता है।
मैम फर्स्ट सेकंड कोई से किसी का भी ले लो मैम जो हो चुका है।
First,
ट्रिग्नो का
second
ले
नहीं
लो
आना
मैम,
है
उसकी
half
प्रैक्टिस
yearly
हो
में।
चुकी।
I
ट्रिग्नो
think
का ले लो मैम।
फर्स्ट सेकंड थर्ड नहीं आएगा।
चलो 8
half
चैप्टर
yearly
का
में।
ले लें,
यस
मंडे को
मैम,
ले लूं 8 चैप्टर का,
यस मैम, यस मैम।
ट्रिगोनोमेट्री।
मैम
चलिए
फ्रॉम एनीवेयर और फ्रॉम NCERT ओनली?
योर चॉइस, योर चॉइस।
मैम यू टेल मी।
ओके फ्रॉम एनीवेयर।
एनीवेयर
I'll-
मैम। ओके मैम।
ठीक है, क्वेश्चन पूरा अच्छे से प्रिपेयर करना है चैप्टर 8, देन आई एम गोइंग टू हैव द टेस्ट ऑन मंडे, राइट?
मैम हमें पूरे टेस्ट की फोटो खींच के भेजनी है।
हाँ बिल्कुल, और जितना टाइम दूंगी उतने ही टाइम में भेजनी है, उसके बाद जिसका आएगा वो नहीं, ठीक है।
कैंसिल।
फोटो वो अपलोड होगी, गूगल ड्राइव से टेस्ट लेंगे, ठीक है। चलिए
ओके मैम।
we finish the class here. Thank you and have a nice day.